I should have put on a shirt today. I'm gonna win today for sure.
Wow, wow.
Secret tunnel! Ah, bad idea! Who is in charge of plowing the street? Papa and I are gonna make them wish they had never been born!
Let's go away from the snow.
Yeah, watch the road, losers! Got a late Christmas present for ya! Ouch!
Woohoo! I'm in first place. Wait, what's that? Mamma mia! Oh, I'm going to feel that later.
What is this? How majestic and annoying!
Yahoo! No! Ice bear! Ouija fall! It is ridiculous out there! Ugh. Is this seat taken? What a nice thing to say!
Yeah. What? No.
So I think the whole system is flawed. I mean, do we pay in coins or bananas?